Today we're gonna be making hot jalapeno popcorn. All right, today we're gonna be making hot jalapeno popcorn, and this is a Gold Medal product. This is a Savory Shakes hot jalapeno, and we're gonna be using 2/3 of a cup of this. So let's get started. Got 1.5 cups of popcorn coconut oil, and now we have 3 cups of kernels. Starting to heat up those kernels. There we go, starting to pop now. Popcorn's still hot. We're gonna put it in this food safe bag here. And then we're putting on 2/3 of a cup of jalapeno seasoning. Then we get that all closed up, we're shaking it up. There it is, jalapeno popcorn. Take a look at some. Oh yeah, you can see the seasoning on there. Let's give it a try. Oh yeah, it's a little bit salty and it's a little bit spicy. Oh, you can smell the jalapeno on that. Oh, that's great. That's terrific. Get popping.